And we're back. And I am not angry, but I'm probably still going to get angry again. Because these people are a bunch of bitches. Fire. I need fire. Bitch! How did I miss you? Thank you! God damn it, man. You and your fucking katana. I wish I had a katana, but no, I'm Lara Croft. I don't do that shit. Where the fuck do I go? Oh, what? How in the hell am I supposed to do that? Oh, okay. Alright, wait, did I loot all of you? Assassin's Creed style? Okay. I broke. Had too many starbursts. Jumping! Yeah. Okay. I gotta do this shit again. No, not with the shotgun. You don't do that. That's not how you do things. There you go. We're going into a waterfall? No, what the fuck am I talking about? Some cavern. Okay, don't fuck it up! There you go. Okay. Do I really have to do this? I really don't want to. Oh, now you're on fire. Before it wouldn't catch on fire when I wanted it to, but now it does. God damn, this freaking game is so glitchy.